Hello guys, today we are turning a toilet paper roll into a person. For this craft, you will need different colored paper, a toilet paper roll, a glue stick, a tape and scissors, googly eyes, and a pen and pencil. For the first step, you'll want to choose what the skin color should be, which is the color that the head will be. I'm choosing tan, but you can choose whatever color you want. So what you want to do is take your toilet paper roll it with the paper, like that, and then use your pencil to mark roughly where it is. It's okay to give yourself a little extra paper than you need. And then the next step is to take about half of its height like this, and then just mark that as a line. And then what you want to do is just draw it like this, so then it's a rectangle. And then what you want to do is take your scissors and cut it out. Now that you've cut out your rectangle, we're gonna wrap it around to be the head. So what you want to do is get your glue stick, take the cap off, and then you want to just get glue basically like all along the end, so then it will stick and not peel off when you're done. And then add a bit of glue in the middle so then it sticks good. Now that you have it all glued up nice, you will line one edge with the top of the roll, and then slowly and carefully you want to wrap it around, so then you have your head paper glued on. Okay guys, after you did the head, we're now going to do the exact same step, but for the clothing. I'm using the color red, but you can use whatever clothing color you want. I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, for this step, we're going to be doing the hair on our person. What you want to do is wrap your hair color piece around. You can use any color, but I'm just using black. So after you wrap it around, you know how much you need. And like what we did for the body and skin color, just do another line halfway up the body, a little less, and then you have your rectangle that you should now just draw and cut it out. Okay guys, after you've cut out your hair, you're going to want to draw a hairstyle on it. This is the style I drew, but you can draw whatever style you want. Next step is we're going to cut it out So after you've cut out your hairstyle, what you want to do is put glue everywhere on one side, and then take your person and then just wrap it around. So after you have your hair on, we're now going to do the eyes. The googly eyes typically have a peely thing on the back, which when you peel them off, you can stick them wherever you want. So then you attach them where you want your eyes to go. So after we've added the eyes to our person, next we're going to work on the face and any accessories. The accessories could be anything from a tie to a necklace to any other piece of jewelry. So then, for the face, what you want to do is just take a pen, pencil, or any other drawing tool that you want, and then just draw on a nose and mouth. So after you've added on all your accessories and face, you're done. For my accessory, I just chose to do a bow tie, but I hope you had fun making your accessories. After your accessory is done, then congratulations, You have finished your toilet paper person. I hope you enjoyed making it. Goodbye.